Fear of failure is absolutely important and natural and normal. And be afraid to fail, because when you take a risk and you have that fear to fail, you're going to be hyper-focused on it and you're going to work hard. That is the most important part of this entire process. But this idea that fear is actually false evidence appearing real is really, really true. And the way I see it is it's actually this primal response inside of you that's kind of meeting up with that, okay, I've got this vision, I've got this idea, and fear is going to come here to really ask me, am I serious about that? And if you are serious about it, you'll build it. You're kind of never ready, and you're never not ready. The time to do it is when you think of doing it. And I want you to know that everybody fails. Failure is how you learn. So don't be afraid of failure, because it's actually a gift. If you never failed, you would never learn. You would never get the excitement of succeeding, because you've never had that disappointment of failure. And as humans, we have to have that dichotomy, the excitement and the experience of the opposite. The absolute pleasure of succeeding and doing something really well, and then the heartbreak of having failed at something. That's how we understand two different emotions. That's how we understand everything in this human existence. So I want to encourage you to face your fear and do it anyway. Sometimes you have to fail because it's propelling you forward to the next step in your life. And if you just keep working at something that's failing and you're not getting the bigger messages, you're probably missing some opportunities, either to learn or to move on to what's next for you, like Ronyo, who moved from Kenya to Qatar. So take some time, reflect on that fear, either while you're in it and you feel like your business idea is failing. Reflect on it, really understand what are the lessons that I can learn here, and then grow, find a way to grow and learn from that.